Welcome back to the adventure bus. We have a special delivery today. Something that I picked up. It's starting to get hotter out, so gotta figure out some air conditioning on here, and I think I've got the perfect solution. So just gotta get it out of the car. Well, we've got a portable air conditioner. Not the lightest thing in the whole world, but it's on wheels. So, this is the guy we got. It's 8,000 BTUs, which the way I plan on using this is when we're driving the bus, we'll have it up here in the front. And then when we're sleeping, we'll have it in the back. So it's only ever going to be cooling one half of the bus at a time. Not actually going to be cooling the whole entire bus. So hopefully that works. I'm going to put a hose on it so I don't have to drain it. And yeah, just going to kind of play around with some positions here. I think likely in the driving position, I'll probably put it, there's a plug here, so I'll probably put it right here, which will be perfect because it'll do all of this area. And then in the sleeping position, I think I have the perfect spot back by the bed, which is where I'm going to take it right now because, well, I need the room up here. So, and anyway, we're driving right now. I don't think we're going to need the air conditioning, so that way it's tucked away in the back of the bus, and when I need it up here, I'll bring it up here. But it's perfect size. It's going to do what I need it to do for sure. Okay, so this is where I think the final resting spot's going to be for the back of the bus. And it fits absolutely perfectly right there in between the bed and the wall. Kind of holds itself in there. There's enough room for the ductwork to go up to the window. And the great part about this is if I direct it this way, it's going to come out here, and then I have this fan which can actually help push it from over there into this room. So hopefully that works out. I think that's where I'm going to try it. If not, it's not really a big deal. It actually fits in this corner here too. Just kind of have to get around it to get into the bed, but not like it's there's a huge hallway to get in the bed anyway. So one more little thing in the way, if I have to move it over here, I can do that too. So this is the perfect solution for the square footage and the size of the unit. It worked great. So
tomorrow.
Welcome to another day on the adventure bus. So we picked up a few things. I got the shower mixer because, well, I've started doing the plumbing. So honestly, I just want to get it finished. I just want to get all of the plumbing finished. Not going to be putting walls in the bathroom or tiling anytime soon, but at least the mixer valve will be there for the shower, and I kind of put that check mark on the plumbing so that everything's complete. So yeah, gonna get that done. While I was at the hardware store, I picked up another blind that I thought was gonna fit here, but I don't think it's going to. It's a little too short, and they're on clearance. It was only $5, so I mean, whatever. And I'm gonna see if they have the wider size, which I don't think they did when I looked. So, and another little project I have, which I'm gonna do right now, is, well, every car and every mode of transportation that you're gonna have passengers in, well, they need cup holders. So when you install these cup holders, I think they're a marine cup holder. I've seen them before on boats. So they basically fold down like so, and then flip up, and then you have a cup holder. So I'll show you that once it's installed. And then I went to the dollar store and I picked up these water bottle mounts, which I'm also going to use as cup holders. So I'm gonna get those installed. I rounded the corner of the shelf today. I did that. It was already cut, but I just kind of took the sharper edges off of it because, well, I don't know if you can see, but I whacked my head and it hurt. So that's a little bit more rounded now, so that should be better. Let's get to installing these cup holders, and then after the cup holders are done, we're going to get working on the rest of the plumbing so that, like I said, we can put that check mark on the plumbing system as it's complete. Okay, let's get to work. I got one cup holder here on this side, and because this is kind of a walkthrough area, I put the fold up one here. So that's the fold up guy. And then over on this side, same thing, somebody might be sitting there, so put the fold up one there. And then on this side, I put the water bottle one. So I have 4 cup holders now in the front of the bus.